simplify without using a calculator. Okay, la so wenza kuqala isibalo sethu sibukeke silula khona sizokwazi ukusimplifya kalula, kusawukusimplifya nakhona. So dila nalezi namba lezi ezikuma-roots. Okay, si-check ukuthi ama-factors ka-root 3 ubani, ama-factors ka-3 nje uba 1 no-3. Check ama-factors ka-48 ne-highest perfect square. Ama-factors iy'namba ozothi uma udivayida kuleyo namba leyo zikukhiphele i-whole number. Perfect square inamba ozothi uma uyifaka kwi-root ikhiphele i-whole number, kungabi inamba enamakhoma. Okay, shuthi ama-factors ka-48 u-1, u-2, u-3, u-4, u-6, u-8, u-12, u-16 no-24. Okay, so i-highest perfect square ka-48 u-16, inamba othi uma uyifaka kwi-root ikhiphele i-whole number. Okay, shuthi so qhubeka-ke nesibalo sethu sithi root 3 16 2x. Okay, then the root 3 yabuya u-16 wakha ngo-4 times 4 ne, shuthi asiqale sisplithe la 16 right, then u-root 3 uyabuya u-16 wakha ubani u-4 times 4 4 times 4 ne, that's 4 2x. Then u-root 3 multiply root 4 split root 4 and root 3 minus. Alright, so solve la kusebenzisa ama-laws of exponent. 2 sishintshe 4 bese u-2 into x plus 1 2x ne. Okay, sibuye sekuqala la umthetho wama-exponent. Okay, siqale solve la 2 times 2x, 2x 2 times 1 plus 2. Umthetho la khona lento le ethi root a times root a, phuma bani, phuma u-a, khanselana bonke la kusale inamba eyi-1, uthathe yona eyi-1. So u-3 u-root 3 no-root 3 kusala u-3 no-root 4 no-root 4 kanjalo kusala u-4, shuthi kuzoba ubani, kuzoba u-3 multiply by nala kusala u-4 then minus umthetho wama-exponent. If the bases are same when you divide, you subtract the exponent. 2x plus 2 minus into 2x 3 4 minus 2 2x plus 2 minus 2x. Okay, 3 times 4, 12, minus 2 lava bayaphela into 2. 12 minus 2 squared u-4, because u-2 squared ufana no-2 times 2 okuphuma u-4. 12 minus 4, 8.